May we call on Mr. Elton John Lim, BSBA, Major in Marketing Management, summa cum laude, to deliver a response on behalf of the graduates.
Our distinguished guest of honor, Mr. John Henry Luwilier, members of the Board of Regents, the Management Committee under the leadership of our University President, Professor Elixir C. Ramos, college deans, department heads, administrators, professors, parents, fellow graduates, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. I am Elton John Lim. I am proud to have pursued a bachelor's in business administration with a major in marketing management. This decision was not a random choice, but a well-thought-out plan, deeply influenced by my upbringing in a business-oriented family. Our Chinese roots inspired my entrepreneurial spirit. Like many of you, my journey to this stage was not without a challenge. 6 na taon ako noon nang dinala ako ng aking mga magulang sa Laguna upang ipaalaga sa isang taong hindi naman namin kakilala o kamag-anak. Binayaran siya upang ako'y alagaan. And confusion enveloped my innocent mind as I wondered why I was suddenly separated from my parents. I felt scared and uncertain of what to do until I realized I had to be strong to survive. At this age, I learned how to cook food, wash clothes, and bathe myself, instilling a sense of independence at a young age. I experienced being a scavenger who sifted through the trash bins to earn money to survive. And while scavenging, I was bitten by a dog. Alone and frightened, I could do nothing but cry. During those times, I strived so hard to continue my studies. Yet, seeing my classmates accompanied by their parents to school only deepened my longing for my parents. I missed them so much. At the age of 8, I would string sampaguita flowers, earning 5 pesos for every 100 strings completed. And it brought me immense happiness, as it allowed me to afford my daily allowance and buy toys like other children. And it allowed me to buy my meal, a cup of soup, without depending on my classmates for good. To earn more, I got another job, assembling bulbs for Christmas lights, earning 1 peso for every 100 bulbs assembled. At 9 years old, my friends and I often braved the backwoods. I was collecting spiders to sell to other kids, disregarding our safety and security. I fondly remember earning 150 to 200 pesos per day from selling spiders alone, which served as my allowance for the next day. During the rainy season, spiders would become scarce, prompting me to frequently stay over at my friends' houses where I could eat, sleep, and play. At times, I even forgot that I had a home of my own. In 6th grade, I was 12 years old when I decided to return to Makati and decided to enroll myself in Pitogo Elementary School. Knowing how busy my parents were, providing for my family, I navigated the whole process for enrollment. 12 years old po ako, hanggang ngayon, ay nagkakahid na ako ng nyug. Gamit ang kayuran na ubod ng talim, na sa kaunting pagkakamali mo lang, ay maaari kang masugatan. Or worse, maputulan ng daliri. There were times that I really couldn't help my father. Because of course, I had to study for my exams and do my assignments. And as a child, I wanted to play with other children. Fast forward to today. Today, I am far from the boy I was once. Who would have imagined that the scavenger, the young entrepreneur, the independent child from before, would now be graduating summa cum laude and delivering this speech in front of you. To those wondering how I got this far, two things have propelled me forward. First, surround yourself with people who share your goals and those who view success not as a competition, but as a collective pursuit of growth. Second, believe in the power of prayer. Find solace in the knowledge that God never abandons His children. I also wonder, after 5 years, where are we? What have we achieved in life? I hope we have reached the status we aspire to, and that we have fulfilled the role of being a great brave hero. We owe a debt of gratitude to the city government of Makati, who made education accessible. We take great pride in graduating from the University of Makati, an institution renowned for its facilities, nurturing environment, and quality education. We appreciate our dedicated professors who equipped us with the knowledge and skills needed to excel domestically and globally. Para sa aking mama at papa, maraming salamat. Ito na po iyon. Ang pangarap kong maiakyat kayo sa stage na proud sa akin, habang proud din po kayo sa sarili ninyo. Hindi man naging madali ang lahat para sa atin. Salamat po sa lahat ng pagmamahal at aruga na ibinigay ninyo sa akin. Hindi po ako nangangako na matutupad ko ang lahat ng mga pangarap ninyo. Pero gagawin ko ang lahat upang maging mabait at maaasahan na anak sa inyo. Salamat po, Papa, dahil pinatunayan ninyo na kahit nagtitinda tayo ng nyog sa palengke, ay may kakayahan kayong mapagtapos ang tulad kong minsan na rin nangarap makapagtapos ng pag-aaral. And to all the parents and guardians present, thank you for all the sacrifices and unwavering support you have given us. To my fellow graduates, please, using your right hand, please pat yourselves on the back and acknowledge your own strength. Let us all be proud that we have reached this milestone. I bet it hasn't been easy, but determination and resilience have triumphed over every challenge that has stood in the way of our educational goals. Before I end, let me leave you with a quote from Vince Lombardi, one of the greatest coaches in American football. The difference between a successful person and others is not lack of strength, not lack of knowledge, but rather lack of will. Understand that success requires maneuvering through unexpected twists and turns. Life can be unpredictable and rife with setbacks and hurdles. Please, view these challenges as growth opportunities and keep pushing forward in the face of adversities. Congratulations, Class 2023-2024. Until we meet again, farewell and thank you.
Thank you, Elton John, for your courage to share your story, both challenges and triumphs. More importantly, through your will despite all the twists and turns that life gave you. Let us give him another warm round of applause.